Hello everyone, if you're looking for a budget-friendly dual-brand Wi-Fi router, so Tenda AC5 is the best choice for you. I am using this router last 3 months and in this video I like to share my all the experience. So first up, talk about the box content. The router comes with these types of big box. In the box you can get some paperwork and one adapter, then our beautiful white color router and one connection cable. Let's talk about the design. The Tenda AC5 comes in a sleek minimalistic design. The compact size is a plus, make it easy to place it anywhere in your home. The router built with the completely plastic and the build quality is top notch. One of the good side is the router comes with a lot of airflow option and the front side is come with the Tenda watermark and also one indicator. In the back side you can get power jack, one port and 3 LAN port and WPS or reset button. Now on to the performance. The AC5 operates on a both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band, offering a combined speed up to 1200 Mbps. This is perfect for householder with a multiple device, allow for a smooth streaming like free gaming and speedily downloads. In today's world, we are having a smart TV, a smartphone, laptop and more connection at one. Having a router that can be handled smoothly and the router setup is also very easy. Security is always a top concern and the Tenda AC5 does not disappoint. It supports WPA3 encryption, providing you latest and strong security for your network, and partner control are also available, and the mobile app is another standout feature. With the Tenda Wi-Fi app, you can manage your network from your panel of your hand for checking connective device to setting up guest network. So it is Tenda AC5 AC1200 dual band Wi-Fi router still authored in 2024. In my opinion, absolutely. It delivers on a performance, easy to use and security without break in the bank. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly dual band Wi-Fi router, so Tenda AC5 definitely a smart choice in 2024. So that's pretty much for today's video. Make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe if you have not already. Thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.